Stand Design Inc., we actively evaluate our customers' needs and concerns. For a long time, customers have had issues with air hydraulic pump units as they tend to need a lot of care and maintenance. We all know most techs don't maintain their equipment. In addition to this issue, we found that most repair shops have issues with condensed water in the air lines. This is the most common cause of problems for any air-driven tools, including air hydraulic pumps. Pumps are the first thing to go on a bridge jack, and they are costly to repair and replace. Well, now you don't have to worry about costly air hydraulic pumps, and you don't have to compromise on performance with our new J7000L Low Boy. This jack has the lowest cost of ownership of any jack available today, and its performance is better than a conventional hydraulic jack. Stand Design's Low Boy J7000L is a very unique rolling bridge jack. Unlike conventional jacks, the Low Boy utilizes an airbag to power the jack to lift vehicles. The airbag is housed in a specially designed scissor which equally distributes the vehicle's load across the jack. The low profile of the J7000L means it will fit virtually any ramp-style lift and will not rest too high above the runway. It will even work on in-ground ramp-type lifts. Even though it's only 7 inches tall, it will raise up to 17.5 inches at maximum height. That's a stroke of 10.5 inches, and that's higher than most hydraulic jacks. That's not all. Because it's air-driven, it operates very quietly. A rush of air is all you will hear, and it lifts a vehicle very quickly, much faster than a hydraulic jack. If you have water problems in your airlines, it's no problem for the Low Boy. Bad quality air will not affect this jack, and you will continue to have years of trouble-free use. It also features 7,000 pound capacity, a small footprint, a multi-level lock, a convenient pull handle, powder coat paint and zinc-plated components and accessories, low and high adapters, and storage right on the jack. For more information on this jack or any one of our rolling bridge jacks, please go to www.standjacks.com.